In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to remove duplicate vCard contacts using 4n6 vCard Duplicate Remover. To install the 4n6 vCard Duplicate Remover, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides the user with two options. You can choose either one of the available options. Click on Choose Folder option, and select the folder containing vCard contacts. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the folder containing vCard contacts within the selected folder will appear on the left. Click on Folder to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it, showing the list of all the contacts in the selected vCard file. The contacts of the vCard file can be previewed in the panel on the right. This tool also allows the user to search for specific data. Now, let's go through the removal process. Click on the Actions button, and select the Filter Duplicate vCards option. Let's see vCard export options, such as Location bar to view and select the destination path for the exported vCard. Delete Old Folders button to delete all the old folders. Open folder after export is done to open the destination folder after export is done. Save as single vCard to save exported vCard contacts into single vCard. Case sensitive to scan for exact duplicate vCard contacts. Find duplicates in to search for duplicate vCard contacts in first name, last name, contact no, and mail ID. After configuring all the settings, click the Scan Duplicates button to search for duplicate contacts. To export the scanned output, click on the Save button, and the process will begin. Click on the Open Folder button to open the destination folder. And here you have your exported vCard file. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.